I guess having gone through that, were you able to find that you can do this?
I have a lot of ideas. Okay. And as I was going through the class, I was excited, and then I started feeling the anxiety of, oh my gosh, can I actually deliver it? And I thought I was the only one, but every one of my classmates felt the same. But Louisa gave us that confidence. The class gave us that confidence, and we have the portal, we have everything. We have a lot of resources to fall back on. Should we find, oh, I forgot something, or maybe I missed something, we can always refer to it. So that's another amazing thing. There's a lot of resources and support that Louisa has prepared, not just the bots. Okay, she has pre-programmed her bot, so you can just plug in whatever you want, and it just gives you whatever you want. So it saves us the headache of thinking and creating and all that. So our job is to come up with the ideas of our course, prepare whatever is necessary to actually run with it, and with a little bit of handholding, a bit of nudging, and a little bit of motivation, I feel more confident. Honestly speaking, I was very, very afraid. What if I fail? What if I don't have anyone subscribe or take up my course? But at the end of the day, if I don't try, I wouldn't know. So I am ready for 2026 to launch my first course. Thank you, Louisa.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Louisa. And if it doesn't work out, it really is okay, because it's not a failure. It's about trying and fine tuning until you find your formula.
So maybe I will rephrase your sentence to say, if it doesn't work out yet,
Yes, true.
because if we're lucky, we hit it the first time. Most of us will need to iteratively try. That's what we call the MVP, right? We tweak, you get some feedback, and you go along the way.